Hi friends, this is Digital Smart Fitness Bluetooth USB rechargeable weighting scale from Dr. Trust. The weighting scale comes with the Bluetooth technology, so we can able to connect the product with your smartphone. They provided an app, so we can able to collect most important 16 biometrics about our body through the weighting scale. It comes to the app through Bluetooth. So it's the most important video. It shows about your body fat, bone weight, protein, body hydration, everything about your body, the 16 biometrics. So please watch the video until the end. The previous video we see about the infrared non-contact thermometer video. So both videos are very important. Check the description for more details. See, is a Dr. Thrust weighting scale Bluetooth body fat composer. See, 2-digit display, rechargeable battery. Through USB you can able to recharge. See, it resolves the room temperature, not body temperature, room temperature. This place is very bright and big. See, capacity 180 kg. Units kg, lb and st. 2 digital precision. See, is fully made of glass and see Dr. Thrust Smart 5 body weight scale. See, 16 biometrics, important biometrics: body weight, fat, hydration, muscle, BMI, moisture, bone mass, BFR, and more. The product, see, fully made of glass and tempered glass, very strong product. See, it's a packing, actual packing. See, is with the gauge sensor, temperature display, 16 essential body metrics. Most important thing, see the back side. It's from USA brand, very trusted brand. See, everything about the product, complete insight about your health. It shows complete insight about your health, goal settings and progress monitor. But weight gain or weight loss and everything, body weight, body percentage, fat percentage, everything. You can complete guidance about your full body comes to your app through the weighting scale. The accuracy was really great and very fast accuracy reading. See, anti-skid design and low battery indicator, auto off, 6 mm tempered glass, step-on technology, overload indicator, safety and comfort, large display, accurate reading, and high precision eye gauge sensor. So net weight 1.39 kg, gross weight 1.59 kg. See the size, good quality product. No, don't need to worry. New product was delivered in the offer 2200. I bought it for 1200. I will thank Flipkart for the wonderful service. See, it's Mumbai, imported through Mumbai. USA product. Thermometer are the same brand. Check the video by check our description below. See, this is a USB rechargeable weighing scale. So they provided the USB wire. See, extra 6-month warranty. See, we need to give a review about the product in the Flipkart or Amazon. So you get an extra warranty. We need to register the warranty in 15 days. This is a manual book, user instruction book. Please watch the full video. You can get a great idea. If you want, please read the book before usage. See, the app was more important. The app shows all the details about your health, day-to-day health. Automatically comes from weighting scale to smartphone in a second. Once you stand on the weighting scale, see, in 3 seconds it shows my reading. See, big display. It was in 11 o'clock morning. See, room temperature. In weights in kg. See, and battery indicator. See, we need to wait for the 4 dots complete. Then we can come out of the start reading. See, the build quality was excellent build quality. See, this place we need to keep the leg quality 60 mm tempered glass. Don't worry about the broken of the glass. See, display was big. See, bright sunlight still was visible. Shows the room temperature always. Rechargeable micro USB is more important. Build quality was excellent. Don't need to worry. See, we need to place the leg on these leaves. So when we get our 16 biometrics. See, back side, excellent grip. Push type, but excellent grip. Don't worry about the skid. Around 80 kg, we can able to stand on the thermometer. Even glass, your build code was excellent. See, on off button. We need to continuously press the button for move from kg to lb and st. See, whatever build quality, excellent. Look wise, excellent product. Very important for home. See, micro USB type. We need to recharge once a month was enough. See, the glass quality, thickness was excellent thickness. 180 kg weight. So wonderful product for the price. Everything was comes handy with the product. See, charge your scale before use. Please scale on a flat surface, dry floor. So initialize auto calibration. Step of scale when 000 will appear on the display. Please step back the scale back in. Wait yourself. Scan the QR code for connect the app. Registration and create account for choosing units, language, state, weight, everything. App provide everything for you. Don't worry. See, choose weight scales KB, LB and ST by press the unit on the scale. Backside button we need to press. See, slippery when you stand on the thermometer with your leg, wet leg. See this tab. See 4% in my home. I enter the name. You need to press the add for the enter the new person. Again we need to give the name, gender, weight, height. So we need to give an accurate reading. And then see, we need to select the particular person by check the icon. See, I'm going to check my nephew, name Mridula, and see, I press the go button. See, that's what the go button. So you see, going to stand on the thermometer. See, fast accurate reading. That's all. In 3 seconds, it comes the reading from weighting scale to smartphone. We need to stand on the thermometer up until the 4 dots appear. Here you can see all the details about my nephew. See, weight, BMI, BFR, muscle rate, body water, high, low, or overweight, everything you can get. We fat, protein mass, excellent. We need to give everything about the product for healthy. Target weight, you are underweight, so you can set a target and you can gain your weight or lose your weight. Everything with the app, very important. Everything in your hand nowadays. So wonderful scale for the price. I thank Flipkart for wonderful service, accurate reading. See, everything in the part 16 biometrics more important. See, you press the trend, you can see daily readings from date one by one. You can see last 7 days or 30 days. Every reading will announce. See, here you can see body weight, mass, everything. Pressing the icon one by one, you can see the difference. Everything in the app. Don't need to worry. Wonderful product. For the price is a very less price actually in offer. So wonderful product. You can add your names of our family members and every day you can check your family members details, our health. Wonderful. See, charging time was nearly 1 hour. You can use for 1 month. So really good display, good build quality, excellent accuracy, very short time 3-second reading. Wonderful product. Really thank Flipkart for the wonderful service. Display was very bright. See, once connected with your app, then everything in your hand. See, room temperature showing, battery indicator, kg, LB and ST. Cleaning was very easy, full of glass. See the display brightness. Excellent, very excellent product at the price point. I have not believe such a product in my hand at a low cost. 16 biometrics about everyone in my family. Overweight or underweight, body fat, water capacity, protein mass, bone weight, everything separately in the app. Excellent product. Look wise, design, accuracy, fastness, everything was good. You need to install the app. That's all. Small app, so don't need to worry. It automatically connected through Bluetooth. It's excellent product for the price. Smart 505 model. It's a small unboxing. If you want, please watch the unboxing. I will thank Flipkart for a wonderful service. Thank you, Flipkart. I put a link in the description and check thermometer video also available. Check description, first comment and check the card above for more details. Thank you, 7. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. I reply in 6 hours. If you like the video, please click like button. If you want more video, please click subscribe button. Thank you, 7.